Now students, we are going to solve exercise 1.4 class 9 advanced maths question number 9. We have this same chapter in class 8 also, but the difference is that in class 8 the exercise name is 1D and here 1.4. Anyway, we are going to solve number 9 question, find the products in binary, and we have to find the answers of question number 9 from exercise 1.4. Few questions are given here: Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3, Roman 4, and here also 5, 6, 7. Total 7 questions are given in question number 9. I will do only a few, and rest questions you will solve by watching the video. Now let's have a look how to solve this question. Now students, we are going to solve exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4 class 9 and class 8. Question number 9, Roman 1, multiplication. Question is given, find the product in binary. First question is 1 1 into 1 0. Student, we generally multiply these values also like the normally multiplications we used to do with the numbers of decimals, like 12 into 14 or 5 into 10, like that. But difference is that here we can use only 1 and 0, means all the digits given in the question are binary. Now let's start the solution. 11 and means 1 1 and 1 0. Go for the multiplication. So normally 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, and here we'll give the multiplication sign 1 into 1, 1 into 1. Now after that we are just going to add the digit. 0 will be here, and 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and there is 1. This is the answer of the first question 9 Roman 1. Students, now we are going to solve that question number 9 Roman 4. The question is 1 1 0, then 1 0 1 into 1 1 0 1. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Multiplication. So 1 1 0, 1 0 1, and there could be 1 1 0 1. What is given in the question? Now go for the multiplication. Look how to solve this. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 will be 0 here, 1 into 1 again 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, and 1 into 1 1. Now we'll give here cross, which means here I will not put anything. Now 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 again 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 again 0, and 0 into 1 again 0, which means if we multiply any digit with 0, means answer will be 0 only. Now next one, 1 and 2. Look here now. For the first one, this line. For second one, leave the first part and then multiply. For the third one, now 1 2. Now we'll start from here. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. Now just after that, next would be cross cross and cross. Look here, 1 2 3, and last one is 4. Now go for the multiplication. We'll start from here. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. Now look, just after that I am now just going to add the number here. Now look, after adding, 1 will be here, there is 0 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, but it is in decimal, so 1 plus 1 is 10, means 1 0. So we'll put here 0, carry 1. Here also 0 plus 1 means 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, but it is decimal, so 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 again. Now 1 plus 1 again 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1, carry 1. Now here also 1 plus 1 10, carry 1 means 11, carry 1 again. Now 1 and that 1 is 0, carry 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 10, again 1, 11, carry 1, and 1 plus 1 is 10. This is the answer of the binary multiplication of the digits. Students, in question number 9 I have done only 2 sum, and rest I am giving homework that you will solve by watching the video. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.4 question number 10, divide, binary division. Division will be taken place like we normally do with the decimal numbers, like 120 divided by 6 or 320 divided by 12, like that. Whatever may be the digit, maybe 2 digit, maybe 3 digit, maybe 4 digit, whatever may be the digit, division will be taken place according to the division rule. But here the difference is that in binary means there will be used only 1 and 0. So will be there are total 6 sums are in here. I will do only 2, and the rest I will give you the homework. Depending on the video you will solve the rest of the sums. Now let's have a look how to start and how to solve. Now students, we'll go for the next one, the division of question number 10, Roman 1. The question is given here at 110 and divide by 10. We have to divide this one by 10. I'm writing here divide, which means we have to divide this one. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Division will be taking place according to the rules of division. So here I will write like this. There is 110 and there is 10, which means this part is dividend and this is divisor. Now 10 means 2. We know that very well. 10 means 2 in binary. I repeat again, 10 means 2 in binary. Now here 110. So initially 10 ones are 10. Now 1 will be here and that 0 will come down here. Now again 10 ones are 10, which means there is remainder is 0. So we can say that I am writing by the side here that quotient equal to 1 and remainder equal to 0 for this sum number 1. Now next one, 10, the last sum I am doing now, 10 Roman 6 I am doing now here, the last sum. I have done the first sum, means 1 and doing the last sum, and the rest sums you will do by watching the video. Now here also given 1 then 1 again 1 total 6 1 is there, by, which means we have to divide this value by 110. I'm writing here divide, which means we have to go for the division here. So division will be taken according to the division rule. So again I am writing here that 1 then again 1 and this is 110. This part is dividend and this is divisor. Now look, 110 and we are going to divide this value, all are in binary. So one time 110. Now next would be there is 1, and after that 1 cannot be divisible by this, which means clearly it is seen that 110, this value is bigger than this. So obviously I will put here 10, then 1 will come down here, 11. Now look, if I go for this, then here again 11 cannot be divisible by this, again will 1 come down here. So now 110 into 110 there, then now 1 will be here. So this 1 cannot be divisible by this, we'll put here 10 then 1. Now student, don't confuse, look, 111 then here 110 into 1 means 110. Now this cancel, 1 will be here. Now this 1 will come down here after putting 10. Now then also not possible, then this 1 will be here. So now 110 into 110. Now after that 1 will be here and this 1 will be here. So remainder is 11, means 11. So we can say that not 11 actually, 1 1 in binary. So here we can say that quotient is 1010 and remainder is 1 1. This is the answer of 1 Roman 4, sorry 10 Roman 4, 10 Roman 6 actually, sorry 10 Roman 6. Now students, look, I have done exercise 1.4 question number 10 Roman 1 and Roman 6, and the rest sum of question number 10 you will do by watching the video. Now I am going to solve exercise 1.4 question number 11. Divide these binary digit with this and verify with the decimal division, which means we have to divide these two in decimal first, then we'll have to verify the answer with the decimal division. Now let's have a look how to solve this one, number 11. Now students, we're going to solve number 11, exercise 1.4. So division will be taken place according to the rules of division, so that's why I will write here that 1, then 0 0, then 0, then 1 1, then 1 1. These value will be divisible by 1011. Now how to solve this one? First of all, 1011 will be divisible by one time only. We'll put here that 1011. Now look, then minus here. Look, why I have written this value here? There is a reason, because look, 1011 if I put here, then so 1011 will be here. So if I carry from this one will be here. If I carry 1 from here, then this will be here, which means 0 minus 1 not possible. That's why I have written here. Now 1 minus 1 0, there is a 0. Take 1, which means this is now 2. Take 1, there is 1, there is 2 now. Take 1, there is 2, there is 1 now. 2 minus 1 is 1, and there is also 1, there is also 1, which means after subtracting, 110 will be here. Now next would be this one will come down here, this one will come down here. So 1101 is there. Now we'll go for one more multiply here, 1011. Now again, so 1 minus 1 is 0, carry 1, which means this becomes 0, and this becomes 0, and that is 2 means 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1. Now just after that is 10 only, just after that. Now if I put down 1 here, if I put down 1 here, this 101 will not be divisible by this, because there is 3 digit, there is 4 digits. So we'll put here one more 0. If I put here one more 0, then this one will come down here. Now this can be possible. So one time 1011 and remainder will be 0. So here we can say that, look here, I am writing by the side of the sum that quotient equal to, quotient means this one, quotient equal to 1101 and remainder equal to 0. Now after that we have to go for the verification. Now this part is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, and this is remainder. Now look student, verification part. So dividend is dividend, so dividend equal to, this part is dividend, 1 0 0 0, then 1 1 1 1. Now we have to, this value is in decimal, we have to convert this value into sorry, this value is in binary base 2, we have to convert this value in decimal. Now how to convert this? Look here, now conversion of this one, 1 0 0 0, then 1 1 1 1 base 2. Now look here, 1, then since base 2 here, so we'll write here 2. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I repeat again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 to the power 7, then 0 into 2 to the power 6, then 0 into 2 to the power 5, then 0 into 2 to the power 4. Look, 3 0 already gone, 3 0. Now then 1 into 2 cube, 1 into 2 cube, plus then 1 into 2 square, 1 into 2 square, then 1 into 2 to the power 1, then 1 into 2 to the power 0. Now look student, just after that, here 7, then 6 5 4 3 2 1 0, which means is gradually decreasing by 1. Now look, 2 to the power 7 means 2 to the power 5 is 2 to the power 5 is 32, 2 to the power 6 is 64, 2 to the power 7 is 128. Then 0 plus 0 plus 0, 2 cube is 8 again. Now 2 square is 4, then 2, then 1. Now look, there is a 128 plus 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1 15, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1 15. Now 8 plus 5 13, 3 carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, then 1 143 base 10. This is 143. Look, this is 143. After adding these two, 143 base 10. Next one, divisor equal to 1011 base 2. Now look, we have to convert this one again. Look, like 1011 to decimal, like we did earlier, which means 1 into base 2, then 1 2 3 will be here, then 0 into 2 to the power 2, then 1 into 2 to the power 1, then again 1 into 2 to the power 0. 2 cube is 8, there is 0, there is 2 and 1. So 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 11 base 10. Next one, quotient. So quotient is 1101 base 2. Now we'll have to convert quotient again, 1101 base 2. So 1 into base 2, then 1 2 3 2 cube, then 1 into 2 square, then 0 into 2 to the power 1, then 1 into 2 to the power 0. 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, there is 0 and 1. So 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 base 10. So now look, as it is said in the question that we have to verify the binary answer with the decimal division. Now look, it is clear that the dividend, now dividend is 143. Look here, in binary the dividend was this one and it is in 143. Now divisor is this and divisor is actually 11. Quotient is this and quotient is 13 and the remainder is 0. Now we are going to verify these three value with the help of decimal division method. Now dividend equal to divisor plus quotient, sorry, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now dividend is 143, divisor is 11 into quotient is 13 plus remainder is 0. If we go for this, will be easy for us. Now look, or this is the basic formula. Now after that I am going to show you the actual division. 143 and divisor is 11, so 11 ones are 11. Now 4 minus 1 is 3, then 3, then 11 3s are 33 and remainder is 0. So here also we have got the answer. Now look here, we can write that quotient is equal to 13 and remainder is 0 and divisor is 11 here. So which is matches the decimal answer, sorry, which is matches with the answers we have got in the division of binary.